So I built this pig feeder in about 2 hours yesterday and 15 minutes today. Modeled it off the one I bought at North 40 made of metal. Came together pretty good. It's a pretty basic design. Basically, dump the food in the top, and then they use their noses down here, and they pick up this flap and are able to eat out of it. Just a basic feeder. And then I got a little piece of metal I put up on top of this, and I have a string to keep the door from coming too open. That board there is to make sure that this board doesn't come all the way upright and then stay up. You want it to shut, and so that your food doesn't get too wet. Everything's screwed together with deck screws. Used 2x4s for these 4 big corners, a couple of braces in between, and then at the bottom it's sitting on 4x4s underneath, which you can't really see except for back here. Those are treated 4x4s, so hopefully deteriorates a little slower. I'll probably mount it up on rocks as well, so that it doesn't deteriorate too much. And then when I don't have pigs, I'll stick it under my lean-to probably. But yeah, should work pretty well. Fairly heavy, big thing. It's a lot bigger than the one, probably at least triple the size of the one from North 40, which will be nice. And then I had to do a second one because the one pig blocks all the other pigs from eating. So by having 2 of these now, hopefully they'll all start growing again. Here's the feed grinder and the tractor. Using the auger to put ground feed in there. That's our cattle mix, which is triticale and some minerals ground up. And filling up these buckets next to it so I don't have to bring the tractor and grinder out here quite as often. We filled up the big mixer as well, or the big feeder right there behind it. You can see this feeder is quite a bit larger than the other one. There it is all the way filled up, and you can see all the pigs piled in. I had to build this because the one really big pig would push all the other ones out of the way and wouldn't let anybody else eat out of the other feeder. So now with 2 feeders, she can't do that. She can only guard one at a time. So should be quite an improvement, I'm hoping. There she is over there. Get my phone, nope. Just trying to get a video of eating it and see if I can see how they're doing. There's those go. I think that's a lot of food. That's pretty good. Look at this. That thing worked great.